Hi folks, today we are coming with 5 best bass guitar brand available in the market. In this video, we'll inform you all the features and advantages about these guitars. The best bass guitar is subjective to your budget and musical style. Don't skip that video. If you are new on the channel, then subscribe it and also press the bell icon for new latest updates. The top brands have models that fall into all price ranges and musical styles. A good starting point is to review the top 5 bass guitar brands at very low price. This will help you to decide on the best bass for you. Some items are given below with links in the description of that video. Let's discuss on our 5th best guitar. 5 Squier by Fender Affinity bass guitar. Fender makes great basses. The jazz bass and precision bass are iconic in the music world. There is also the Mustang bass, but it's not as popular. Finally, the Squier Affinity Series Precision Bass PJ puts classic Fender P bass tone and feel into your hands at an amazing price. Get that vintage, gritty Fender tone thanks to the combination of precision and jazz bass pickups, each with its own volume knob and a master tone knob, allowing you to dial in your preferred sound. With a maple neck and 20-fret Indian Laurel fingerboard, this precision PJ bass is designed for fast, comfortable playing and wide-open stylistic exploration. Different models of jazz and precision basses are available at very low prices. You can't go wrong with any of them. This is one of the best other superb guitars which are provided in the market. Hence the difference between a J bass and a P bass lies in the neck width at the nut, the body shape, and the pickups. And also the P bass has more of a low-end growl in your face tone, but the J bass has a brighter tone with more mid-range growl. Although, giving you the best of both Fender bass worlds, the Affinity PJ gives you versatility of tone. The split coil P bass pickup gives you aggressive, meaty tone, while the J bass single coil delivers crisp, full-bodied sound for a bass that is balanced, versatile, and classic Fender no matter which pickup you have selected. Bassists that Sweetwater love having a bass as versatile as this in their instrument arsenal. If you can't decide between the two, Duff McKagan's signature model is a good choice. It has both jazz bass and precision bass pickups. Notable players that have played Fender basses over the years include Flea, Sting, John Paul Jones, Roger Waters, Duff McKagan, Mike Dirnt, and Nate Mendel. Features: Fender quality with great squeal value. Standard split coil precision bass pickup and single coil jazz bass pickup give you versatile sound. Volume control for each pickup and a master tone control let you dial in your own tone. Fast-playing maple neck with 20 medium jumbo frets and best fingerboard. Top-load bridge for classic Fender playability and tone. Made from solid maple with an amazing fingerboard. The neck on Squier's Affinity Series Precision Bass PJ is designed for fast playability and stellar response. The 20 medium jumbo frets provide you with added playing comfort, keeping hand and finger fatigue at bay and producing wonderful tone. PJ pickup configuration. The split single coil precision bass neck pickup in this model is accompanied by a jazz bass single coil pickup in the bridge position, offering a wide range of sonic variety. Fender Play offers new and returning guitar, bass, and ukulele players an intimate, easy-to-use online platform to learn the skills necessary to really play. Lessons are song and riff bass using popular and instantly recognizable songs, and the ever-expanding song library spans a variety of genres, with even more being added in the coming months. Don't just learn, go play. The next 4th bass guitar. 4 Ibanez PF Series PF15 ECE. Another major bass maker is Ibanez. They've been making good basses for decades, and their model lineup is massive. Of all the series, Ibanez PF15 ECE is the most popular. It has a unique body shape that sits nicely in your lap for relaxed sessions. The finishes on Ibanez basses are unique, featuring a woody look with great detail. The main standout feature of Ibanez basses to me is their tonal capabilities. You can cover a lot of styles with the electronics that Ibanez is putting in their basses. Ibanez PF15 ECE has been always a great seller among other entries. To step up level acoustic guitars due to its excellent value for money. We remember having sold this guitar regularly. To be honest, not like hotcakes, but it would sell at least twice a week among its competitor models both by Ibanez itself and Chord, Epiphone, J Tercer, and Fender. Meanwhile, we must tell you this guitar never came out of the box with structural problems even though it's quite cheap. If you have already had a look at our review on Ibanez PF15 ECE bass guitar, you are still thinking about a step-up model, this is one of the best options you can still have. Ibanez PF15 series has more than one model and color options for you to choose from. They are basically the same guitar, but you will have the option to choose either Ibanez PF15. Features: this guitar just produces great, solid dreadnought acoustic sounds without any problem. Especially it sounds almost identical to the dreadnought version. Ibanez PF15 ECE, which features a dreadnought cutaway body with a built-in preamp. Its recording is that built-in preamp sounds were also recorded simultaneously into the computer. PF Series PF15 ECE Dreadnought Cutaway Acoustic-Electric Cutaway Guitar Gloss Black. Professional features at an affordable price is the cornerstone of Ibanez performance guitars. Other major manufacturers only check their instruments in the performance price range with random inspections before shipping. Every Ibanez acoustic guitar is inspected and set up according to the stringent standards of Ibanez quality control. Cutaway Dreadnought models will not sound completely different than the same identical model's Dreadnought version due to slightly different body design. If you were to play in the higher register, it would be way painful to do with a classic Dreadnought design. But if you were planning to use a lot of single lines and play solos down there, you will feel way more comfortable with cutaway models. Ibanez PF15 ECE is an excellent step-up model for the ones who have been looking for a fairly reasonable acoustic guitar with a built-in preamp. It is really hard to beat this model, especially if you want to own one with a preamp. Most guitars in this price range will not offer you a decent preamp. Now the third excellent bass guitar than previously. 3 Yamaha 4-string bass guitar, TR-Bex 174BL. Another giant in the bass world is Yamaha. Their basses remind me of Ibanez. The Yamaha TR-Bex 174 is the bass guitar you are looking for. The TR-Bex 174 offers everything a beginner could need and then some. The TR-Bex 174 bass is a full-size one with a scale length of 34 inches, just like the TR-BX 304. It has a double cutaway for easy and unhindered access to the upper frets. There are 24 frets in total. A great thing about Yamaha is they have a variety of models, and also available at low price. The Yamaha TR-Bex 174 represents a price breakthrough for the TR-BX range. Yet the quality is everything you'd expect from a Yamaha bass. Even it has incredible quality, value, mahogany body, and vintage-style bridge. An instrument that gives you the freedom to innovate, to create and push the boundaries. You need a bass where everything's just right. Sound, feel, looks, nothing comes second. This is TR-BX. This is the bass you've been waiting for. They make bass guitars with nearly every kind of pickup configuration. The BB series has the P-Bass/J bass pickup combo. They also feature active or passive modes. Preamps with EQ are common as well. Like Ibanez, Yamaha makes basses that cover a wide range of styles. This makes them a brand to consider when shopping for a bass guitar. Features: with Yamaha's unique combination of advanced design, precision engineering, and time-honored craftsmanship, the Yamaha guitar development team have created the perfect instrument for bass players who aren't ready to compromise. An instrument with the tone you need to underpin your performance. Its flexibility to allow you to create and define your own voice. An instrument that offers unparalleled comfort, incredible playability, and road-ready durability night after night, session after session. An instrument designed and built to be the core of your music. The TR-Bex 174 represents a price breakthrough for the TR-BX range. Yet the quality is everything you'd expect from a Yamaha bass. TR-Bex 170EW features an exotic wood top. The matching headstock gives a distinct look from other basses. The Yamaha TR-Bex 174 has a simple appeal. There's nothing fancy in its design, but what it lacks in appearance, it makes up for with its functionality, playability, and performance. Many musicians actually prefer a simple look to a flashy one. The sleekness and neatness of it actually makes it appealing and attractive. Now the next second bass guitar. 2 Traveler Guitar, Old BKGMP Gloss Black. The Traveler Guitar ultralight bass is a lightweight, compact acoustic electric bass, so you can play while on the go without lugging your full-sized. The ultralight bass features an all-maple body and a short scale, 30 neck with a smooth maple fingerboard offers wonderful feel and playability. In addition, an under-saddle piezo pickup provides outstanding amplified acoustic bass tone when you plug in. Sweetwater bassists love the ultralight bass for its quality design, sound, and portability. Weighing just 3 pounds, 6.5 ounces, and measuring only 33.75 in length. This short-scale bass can go anywhere you want to take it. and still deliver a great playing experience with all the feel and tone of a regular size bass. The Traveler Guitar's ultralight acoustic standard guitar is wired for sound. The under-saddle piezo pickup delivers a wonderfully balanced, amplified acoustic tone. Piezo pickups have become legendary while the ultralight bass. This eliminates the need for a headstock while providing you with a full-scale playing experience on an instrument that's 25% shorter and 61% lighter than a standard acoustic bass among players who love the fact that they are designed to pick up the vibrations of the strings and translate them to great acoustic tone. Features: compact design acoustic-electric bass with a 30 scale length. All maple body is lightweight and resonant. Stellar acoustic tone via under-saddle piezo pickup. Detachable arm and leg rests. Smooth maple fingerboard offers wonderful feel and playability. Fits in airline overhead bins in the included gig bag. One-piece Eastern American hard maple neck-through body design. 3 pounds, 7 Oz, and 33 3/4 long. Includes gig bag and detachable lap rest. Finally, a bass you can take with you. The ultralight bass is Traveler Guitar's lightest, most compact bass offering ever. The proprietary in-body tuning system uses standard tuning machines relocated into the body, eliminating the need for a headstock. The ultralight bass features a custom piezo pickup, so you can plug into your favorite amplifier, while the built-in thumb rest and removable lap rest frame allow you playing comfort, even in the tightest of spaces. The ultralight bass is the perfect solution for traveling players, unwilling to compromise on playability, but still looking for a small and light solution. This is an ideal carry-on bass because it stows easily in airline overhead compartments in its included deluxe gig bag. The last one, bass guitar. One Martin LXK2 bass guitar. This Martin LXK2 review will help you to choose the best travel acoustic guitar across the country. Martin has added to its range of smaller size acoustic guitars with this highly popular guitar, model crafted from their signature HBL, high-pressure laminate, and finished with a deep golden tan imitation koa wood pattern, which makes it very attractive to look upon. Martin LXK2 has been designed and engineered to fill a gap in the acoustic market for a smaller than full-size guitar that has a lovely warm and resonant tone. It is highly sought after as a travel or practice guitar due to its convenient and compact size. It will be well used by travelers, students, and acoustic guitar enthusiasts. Martin is clearly a brand that has deserved its 5-star reputation. It has remained at the top of the game by research and development, allowing it to innovate and test different ways of building a guitar. Martin was one of the first leading guitar manufacturers to produce quality smaller size guitars, initially with the Little Martin. Dimensions and size specs: 98 cm, length x 17 cm, deep x 46 cm, width. The width of the fingerboard at nut is 2.82 cm, and the width of the fingerboard at the 12th fret is 5.24 cm. Features: materials of Martin LXK2 is a wood/HBL hybrid. HBL is made by compressed wood particles pressed together with specially designed resin under high temperatures. The neck is secured to the body with a mortise tenon joint for increased stability, which also maintains the warmth and lack of buzzing. The fretboard is also made of a compatible Richlite material, which keeps the weight down. Appearance: its classical acoustic guitar shape with no cutaways has tons of lovely details. After it has been laminated, it is digitally printed with a shiny photo finish top which resembles real wood. With matching fingerboard and bridge in a dark finish, it looks stunning and sophisticated. It has a herringbone rosette pattern around the sound box. It proudly bears the C.F. Martin logo emblazoned in gold paint on the headstock. It is perfect for left or right-handed playing. You just need to restring it according to your playing style. Martin is also the manufacturer of leading guitar strings. This guitar is a steel-stringed guitar, and you can choose a variety of gauges, but the manufacturer recommends SP Acoustic 92/8 Phosphor Bronze Medium MS 4200. It comes with 2 strap points at the end of the body and at the underside of the neck adjacent to the body. It holds its warm tone and tuning very well, even with exposure to temperature fluctuations. As it is a traveling guitar, it stands to reason that it is able to keep its tone. The humidity of the atmosphere does not affect the tuning and tone of a HBL guitar to the same degree. This is a great selling point, as this travel guitar will be subjected to fluctuations in humidity and temperature. Unlike solid wood guitars, it will retain its tuning. It is a travel guitar and sturdy enough so you don't need to be overly concerned. If it receives a few knocks, it will retain its pitch. You can check the prices and other related details by using the links given in the description box. Other than these, you can check all of them for your own satisfaction. We hope you like this video, and this complete review guide will be helpful for you. Do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.